What's the meaning of axon? Axon. Axon.
Axon. Axon. An axon is a long, slender projection of a nerve cell that conducts electrical impulses away from the cell body to other neurons, muscles, or glands. It is a critical part of the nervous system and is responsible for transmitting information between different parts of the body. Axons can vary in length from a few millimeters to over a meter, and their structure plays an essential role in how they function. Overall, axons are an integral part of our body's ability to communicate and control its various functions.